Good morning, traders. In this video, I want to speak about US oil, and to keep this video as educational as possible, I will make a top-down analysis in this market to help us understand where we have the highest probability for the next potential move on this asset. So from the weekly time frame, what do we see? We can notice that so far price has been going in a downtrend market pattern. We are seeing series of lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. And in recent time, we saw that market began to pull back. That means some longs were added from the institutional perspective, and it resulted to a pullback. So already we know that the trend is to the downside from this weekly perspective. So all we need to do is to monitor the market from when it will adjust from this pullback so that we can make a sell. So first of all, we have to identify some key prices from the weekly time frame. So in this market here, we can identify this price level of 78.374 as an area where we are likely going to see a pullback resistance or see price drop. Why did I choose that level? We see how price has strongly rejected this area in the past. As we all can see, the areas I am pointing arrow. So price has reacted pretty nice at that area, and we are already getting close to that pullback resistance. Price is currently trading at $73.785 per barrel. Okay, so from the weekly perspective, we are still having a downtrend. Okay, so market is currently making a pullback to the resistance level. So from here, technically, we are going to see some form of decline. All right, so let's now check the daily time frame. Now here in the daily time frame, what do we see? From the daily time frame here, we can see that price started pulling after finding this equal low. We saw this neckline got broken, and price has made a very strong impulsive move. Okay, so now we are currently trading at this price level here, and from the daily perspective, we are seeing an impulse move in this market, which currently closed above this $70 per barrel. All right, so if we are looking for a sell opportunity from this market now, we are likely going to see or sell to this area here, to this $70 per barrel. Okay, so price adjusted around that level, and that's where we are looking forward to selling. Okay, so if we measure how many pip it is from this daily time frame, let's measure it from the current price to that possible pullback support. That is about 3.85%, okay, or 38 pip. So let's now look at the market from the lower time frame to see how we are going to spot opportunity. So let's quickly check the intraday time frame, which is I would like to use the 1 hour time frame. So here in the 1 hour time frame, we can see how price has been reacting around this level. We are seeing highs. Okay, so price is still kind of moving in a bullish channel. So for us to make a sell today, we are looking forward to seeing price shift again. If we notice a shift, we can take advantage of that sell. Okay, so in today's trading session, we are waiting for price to pull back to this high. Okay, so from that high, we can then start to spot a sell opportunity. So we are looking forward to selling US oil today. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and just to finalize it, if we possibly gain entry around the $75 level, which is here as our sell entry price, So if we choose this area as a sell entry price, we're likely going to have here as the take profit level. Okay, so we adjust it. Here becomes the take profit level, and this weekly pullback resistance here becomes our stop loss area. So this is what today's analysis look like. All right, so let's now monitor the market and see how it reacts.